I had the opportunity to attend Ashish sir's NLP practitioner course for 5 days, and I must say that it was a very great learning and unlearning experience for me. And these 5 days I could concentrate on my work, and I was even more positive as a person on the whole than how I used to be a week before that. So a lot of affirmations, lot of theory, lot of practical exercises on how to bring the mind body connection, how important is affirmations, how important is the the way we think about ourselves, how we visualize ourselves. There's so many things which Ashish sir explained, and he was so polite, he was so patient in the way he explained. And one thing I admired most in these sessions were the involvement he had in the sessions, meaning punctuality, or patiently listening to everyone's concerns or issues, and also making the group interact with each other. So many things that were positive about these 5 days, and I am very much sure, sir, I will make sure that I practice these affirmations and techniques that you had taught in these 5 days, and I also envision myself for a better future. Thank you very much, sir.